Today mom's serving because she cooked the food. No, she bought the food.
Hi, we are having pommes, chips with chips. In German we call them pommes with fried beef and some frizzy drink.
Actually, the intro was that simple, but I decided to make it complicated, but then mom made it simple.
Enough. Do you ketchup?
Yeah.
Such a big bag. I'm just kidding. It's a compliment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Eh.
Here you go. Yes, you can go through. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I wake up every morning and I step outside. I take a deep breath and I care. Shut up. And I say, woo!
Can you carry them both? Okay, go. Go then it will come back.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Now it's for the camera woman, which is me. Okay, it's enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this should be enough.
Here on the side.
No, you can use it on top, or it's okay. Thanks. Yum, 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 yum. Huh?
Can I also have?
Yeah.
It's enough.
This is delicious.
Thank you. You're welcome. And this is the fried beef. I also fried it a little bit. It tastes amazing. Justin, you will want to eat it every single
There is
day.
salad in the kitchen.
Okay, let me go get it.
This is mommy's plate. Beef, beef, beef.
I'm definitely taking some salad next.
Show them the salad now.
Do you also want some?
Yeah.
Here. This tastes yum yum yum.
So this is for Mama Bear.
That's a yes.
So good appetit.
Thank you.
My plate. First born plate. And born. No, she's not second. She's third. Third born plate. Big boy. He doesn't wanna have beef today.